What if we could predict which villages are most vulnerable during landslide, and find the safest roads for rescue? This is where MAPOG simplifies GIS mapping and road access analysis for planners and responders, making it intuitive and effective. First, head over to story.mapog.com. Create a new map, give it a name, a short description, and hit save. Next, we begin by adding administrative boundaries, roads, and service roads on map using the GIS data library, and rename them. Next, using the upload vector file from Add Upload Data, we bring in our landslide-prone locations, adding clear symbols and styles using the Style Layer tool to keep the data visually distinct. Using the Buffer tool from Process Data, we selected landslide points and created a 5 km impact zone around each landslide point. Then merge the buffer zones into a single high-risk zone using Merge by Attributes. Now the powerful part. With advanced filtering, select Village Boundary as the target, then click on Filter by applying layer operations. Set Landslide as the source layer, and apply an intersects operation. Click Submit, then Publish to identify exactly which villages fall inside these zones, and rename them as villages under high risk. We repeat this for main roads using the Closer by 1 km operation. Label the layer as roads under risk, and even service roads using the within operation, crucial for emergency access when primary roads are blocked. A clear map, styled with intuitive colors, helps make smarter decisions, fast. When you're done, hit Preview and Share. Make the map private or public, embed it on a blog, or invite others as viewers, editors, or collaborators. MAPOG empower us to plan, respond, and protect, smarter and faster. If you need any help with adding or uploading data, performing map analysis, creating map stories, or map or GIS consultancy, feel free to contact us at support@mapog.com anytime.